Hey guys, it's me Swish and welcome back for another video. And today, I'm gonna show you how to survive in Mine Survival. In Mine Survival in any modes, after you crafted axe and pickaxe, you must find any animals that drop leather and prioritize crafting a boots. Boots can help you walk around faster, gather more resources, and run away from zombies during the night. It can also help you to navigate the map and find the water source in the higher level or higher mode like hard mode, impossible, or hell mode. After you acquired the boots, prioritize now the materials in building a mortar and power towers, walls, factory, laboratory, purifier, and toilet. Based on my experience, it took me 5 days to gather all the materials that I needed for building all the workable tables or structures. Now, here are my tips. The first one is building your base on the corner of the map because zombies can't spawn in the outer edges of the map. The next is in killing zombies or other animals, always put or place a structure or spike trap because if there is a structure nearby and you run away for a bit, they will change their target. They will aim the structure that you place. The next one is the most recommended and most reliable tips that I'm gonna give to you. Using trees as walls. Trees are cheap. You only need sapling to create an unbreakable wall. But using trees as wall have a condition. If you plant a sapling, you must also place or plant some flowers because ants can attack trees and flowers. By planting flowers, it will reduce the percentage that the ants will attack your trees. The next one is using mortar instead of towers. If you upgrade your mortar in mithril, adamantium or orichalcon, they will provide AoE or area of effect. So that is all of my tips and tricks in this video. I hope you survive and gain some knowledge about this game. If you have any question, please comment down below and like this video. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.